back. So today I will going to discuss about this terminal. What is meaning by this terminal? So what how we open the terminal? You already know, right? There are multiple way. You have to right click and open the terminal. This is one way. Okay, Control Alt T is the second way. Otherwise you can go over here and you can type terminal, right? So these are the different ways to do the things, right? So let me come out of this. Okay. So how to do that? Right click, which is my favorite, which is the easiest one because we all have a mouse pad in the system, right? So what you have to do, just click right click, and after that you have to type terminal. Yep. So here is a terminal which you can see, right? So what is meaning of this? Here you can see two things are written. One is written Sanjit and another is written Sanjit. What is this Sanjit meaning and what is the meaning of this Sanjit? So the thing is, this particular, the first thing, whatever is showing before this at the rate symbol is the user which is currently logged in. Okay, so let's say if root user is logged in, it will show root here in place of Sanjit. If say Sham is logged in, a guy, Sham will show. If Lisa is logged in, Lisa will show. And this is your server. This is your host name. Host name is nothing but your computer name is, let's say, computer 1, or let's say your computer name is, let's say, computer 2, or your computer name, let's say, XYZ. Okay, so in this XYZ computer, Sanjit is a user who is logged in. Okay, means what is the meaning of that? Let me open. uh, okay, so let's say this is your computer. Okay, the computer could have any name. Let's say in my case, my computer name is, let's say, computer 1, right? It could be anything. And here, let's say there are multiple users. This is user 1, this is user 2, this is user 3, which are using this computer parallelly. Let's say the super user of this computer is nothing but root. Let's say Sanjit is also using this computer, right? And let's say Charles is also using this computer. So these three people are using this computer. Okay, means these three people are connected with this computer. Where root is a default account, I created Sanjit and Charles after the installation, let's say. So what will happen after that? So what happens tomorrow, my computer, let's say, got connected with the internet. So this moment of time in the internet, let's say, is the world wide web. My computer, how the people will identify which system is connected, so they will come to know computer 1 is connected right now with the internet. So this computer is called computer when it's in front of me, which is locally. But if I talk about globally, this computer, the same computer PC, is called host. So host is nothing but the computer on the net. What is host? Host means whenever I put your computer over the web or net is called host. Okay, so here you can see. Let me show you. So here this Sanjit is nothing but my personal user which is connected there, and this Sanjit is my host name. So this Sanjit is the first one is this Sanjit, whatever you can see over here. Let me type it. So let's say this Sanjit, whatever you can see over here, this is my user which is logged in, right? After at the rate, I can see the host name. So let's say it's a computer 1. So while installation, I given this Sanjit, that's why it's showing Sanjit. Otherwise, I can give computer 1 as well, right? So for that, not an issue. Okay. So that's the one case. And let's say if the root is logged in, so in that moment of time, it will show something like root at the rate computer 1. I hope it is clear now for you. So I hope it is clear right now. Now there is one more thing which I have to discuss. Let's come here. Okay. So I hope it is clear. This Sanjit is nothing but my PC name, means my username, and this user is connected with this particular PC. Now here you can see a symbol. Okay. This in mathematics is called negation symbol, right? So what is meaning by this symbol? So this symbol, whatever you can see from here, what is meaning of this symbol? So this symbol which you are looking at here is nothing but it's showing this symbol which look like something this. Okay, so this symbol, whatever it's look like, so this symbol is nothing but it shows you are right now in home folder. you are right now in home directory. So what is meaning by this? What is home directory? By default, what is the hierarchy? By default, what is the hierarchy? The hierarchy is, let me show you. Let me open the new, okay, discard, and let me type the pixel. Let me hit OK. Okay, fine. So by default, see, the hierarchy is first is this one, root. The way we have computer, you have C drive, right, in your window machine. In same way, the way you have C drive, you have slash, which is called root in Linux machine. Okay, maybe in the C drive you have program file, you have something called Windows user, right? You have different folders in C drive. In the same way, we have here different folders. Let's say etc is a folder, right? etc is a folder. Then we have different folder like xyz, whatever it is. Okay, so same way we have something called, let's say, home folder as well inside that. Inside the C drive, the way you have program file, let's say, or let's say you have different thing like documents, right? Pictures, right? So in the same way, I have home folder, right? From here, you can see. So okay, let me come back. So by default, it's a home folder. So let me show you. If I hit ls means list the things. So you can see these many things are here, right? So if you want to cross verify, you can click on the file. Okay, let me make it here so you can compare the things. Okay, okay, let me do this. Sorry. You can see desktop, document. You can see documents. So whatever it's showing by blue color is nothing but the folders. See, this blue colors are folder, like videos is a folder. Okay, so this way you can understand, right? So whatever it's showing here with the blue color are folder, okay, and whatever with red color are executable file. Okay, so you, this is the file, I hope you guys remember, right? And what is the violet color is nothing but your pictures. Okay, so right now by default we are always in this folder. Okay, that's why we are able to see that things. Okay, so by default this the place is here. So if I have to go to the C drive in the window, how you go in window? You write cd command, right? Cd c colon. In the same way, we have to go the C drive of the Linux is called root. So see, we are right now in the root. So if I hit ls this time, I will see different folder like bin, dev, like this kind of thing, right? So this is the way we can go from here. And here you want to go, just go to the other location, just click on the computers, and you can see bin, boot. Okay, you can see cd-rom, dev, development, etc folder which I was talking about, home folder which I was talking about, right? So from here this is nothing but like your C drive. In the C drive, here home is there, right? So you can go from here itself, the home, Sanjit is the user, and from here you can directly go, or there is a shortcut to go is home here. So what is the first way? The first way is, if you want to go directly, just go to this file location. Okay, and after that you will be automatically here in the home location. But if you want to go through, it's a shortcut via home, you can come here. If you want to go via correct way, go to other location, go to C drive which is your computer, go to home, go to the user logged in as in this home, Sanjit, and here you can see. So you can take 4 5 step which will take you the same place, or either you can click here, you will go to the same place. So this is the way this terminal we have to read. Okay, so I hope you got my point. Okay, so see you in the next class.